Hi guys, welcome back to Helly's Kitchen. Today we are going to be grilling tilapia fish in the oven. I know they say we should avoid eating tilapia because of the amount of mercury in it, but your girl here still loves a grilled tilapia sometimes. Let's get started. On the board you have some cut basil leaf, 2 habanero pepper, and half onions. I'm going to go ahead and transfer that in a blender cup, and I'll cut the onion in small pieces before blending. I'm going to cut half a leeks in smaller sizes and add it into the blender also. I'm going to add parsley. I'm going to be adding dry ingredients because I don't have any fresh one at home. Add some garlic powder, about a teaspoon. Then add water and blend. Now let's get into cleaning our fish. Remove the geese. Usually cut through that so I can get any dirt that is in there. Then I'm going to use my scissors to cut through all this because it's not very comfortable, or it's not very nice when you eat it. So I'm cutting through the fish so that the spices can marinate into it very well. After doing all that, I'm going to go ahead and rinse it well. Going to add some salt into the spices, and that is beef stock or Maggi, like we'll call it in Africa. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply or add those spices to the fish. Make sure you get the fish real good and make sure the spices get into the holes you cut. When I'm done doing this, I usually keep it down for like 20 or 30 minutes to marinate. Hi, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button right away. Thank you. When it's time to roast, I'm going to go ahead and apply some oil on the fish. It's just normal vegetable oil. Then I'll place it on the rack like you see me doing there. At this point, I already started preheating the oven, and you have to set it on grill or broil. Well, not grill, but roast. When the other side is done roasting, what I'm adding there is on it is just vegetable oil, some hot pepper powder, and that's it, because I like pepper. So I'm going to flip the other side and apply the oil and the hot pepper powder to it, and then I'm going to roast it again. On a total, both sides should roast for about 10 to 15 minutes each, and that is how it looks like, guys. Time to serve. What do you like it served with, guys? Is it bobolo, meander, ripe plantain? What? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like